Brad Williams, Excel Prime. What are precedents? You can identify cells used by a formula in the active cell in a number of ways. You can hit F2, choose Home Editing, Find and Select, Go to Special. Again, we're looking for formulas. Control bracket, this selects all direct precedent cells on the active cell. Hit Control Shift curly bracket, this selects all precedent cells direct and indirect on the active sheet. Formulas, formula auditing, trace precedents. Excel will draw arrows to indicate the cell precedents. Click the button multiple times to see additional levels of precedents. Formulas, formula auditing, remove arrows to hide the arrows. Now we can go to F2, and that's not going to do anything for us. We can go up here, F2. It's going to show green is quantity, produce is the blue here, sort of pink is the price. This is helpful. When you're auditing stuff, this will give you an idea. This is a trail. You can hit escape. We can go to Home Editing, Find and Select, Go to Special, back up to the ribbon, Find, Go to Special, hit Formulas. It'll show you where the formula information is without the color detail. We can hit Control bracket. This selects all direct precedent cells on the active cell. Precedents, hit escape, just click outside. Hit Control Shift curly bracket, and no cells were found. About Control bracket. And again, you have to be within the formula range for Control Shift bracket to work. This selects all precedent cells, direct and indirect, on the active sheet. Click anywhere. You can go to Formulas, Formula Auditing, Trace Precedents. Go up to your Formulas. We did this previously. Formula Auditing, Trace Precedents. And again, you have to be within a formula to find the precedents. There's the precedents. Now before, we saw the colors hitting F2, and you could see where this worked. And you remember we had the pink cell and the green cell and the blue cell. And then we had the dependents, the radish. And ultimately, what we're looking for is whatever radish is doing, give us the output. So we have to find radish, and that's within here. And then the final output is thrown into here. And to remove the arrow, just hit Remove Arrows, hit Trace Precedents, anything there, Trace Dependents. And again, the dependents would be formula here is reliant, or let me put that backward, notes, some product is just a formula text. The only way this works is if there's information in the preceding cell for formula text to spit out its information. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.